Is your Jaguar XF's alarm going off randomly, especially linked to the driver's door? This is often due to a faulty microswitch in the door latch sending incorrect signals or glitches in the vehicle's security module. First, use an OBD2 scanner to check for diagnostic trouble codes, DTCs, like B229, indicating a door ajar sensor fault. Try a basic reset by disconnecting the battery for 10 to 15 minutes. However, this is likely a temporary fix, not a permanent solution. Determine if it is, in fact, the driver door activating the alarm. The most effective long-term solution is replacing the driver's door latch microswitch. Genuine Jaguar Land Rover microswitches are preferred, but reliable aftermarket options are available. Numerous DIY videos on platforms like YouTube demonstrate the replacement process step by step. After replacing the microswitch, a module reset using diagnostic software like IDS is recommended. This clears any error codes stored in the system and ensures the alarm functions properly. Software patches for 2015-2017 Jaguar XF models are available through the Jaguar In Control app. These updates can significantly reduce false alarm triggers by addressing module glitches. If microswitch replacement and module reset don't resolve the alarm issue, a body control module replacement might be necessary. In this case, consult a professional mechanic to avoid further complications.